How to add a logo in WordPress quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a logo to your WordPress website. So let's get started. First of all, what you can do is you can open up your wordpress.com and it will show you your website that you are creating. So this is a website on which I am working. This is our theme and you can see it does not have any logo right now. So I'll show you how to add a logo. For that, you're going to go to your website dashboard. This is our WordPress dashboard that we get with our website. So in your dashboard, what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down a little bit to the appearance right here. So in appearance, you're going to now click on customize. So it will take you to customize your WordPress website. And here we will be able to add a logo if you want to change your logo, update your logo, or even resize your logo for your website identity. So you can see this is the detail for my website, and now we're customizing our website. We have our website name, and then we have different options. We have site identity, menu, homepage settings, colors, font, and additional CSS. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on site identity. Once you click on site identity, it will take you right here to the logo section. Add a logo to display on your site. No logo, you can actually go ahead and create a logo. I'll actually show you how to create a professional logo for your website if you do not have any. You can see it's also showing us our site title and tagline because this is also our site identity. This is a test website that I have for the tutorials, and you can see it has my website name right now and our tagline. So what I can do is I can add a logo as well. To add a logo, what you're going to do is you're going to click on select logo and it'll take you right here to your library. Upload file or your media library, it will show you all of the different files that you have already uploaded on WordPress, or you can just click on upload files. Then click on select file and select your logo that you created from your computer. For now, I'm just going for this simple image right here, the logo for my website, and you can see it has been added. Okay, so now we have some of the other options that we can use in order to add a logo. We have alt text, title, caption, and description. Now this is for like a simple post on WordPress as well, and alt text helps us with the SEO of our website because if our each image has its own alt text, it has its own caption and description, it will of course help us to increase the SEO of our website. For now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on select and the image will be selected. Now it's time to crop your logo. So of course I have a simple image, that is why it's looking like similar whatever I do, but what you can do is you can go ahead and crop your logo. If you have a text, if you have your like an art, so what you will do is you will make sure that that part of your logo is added to your website. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and make it like this and place it here. Then you're going to click on crop image and your image will be cropped and your logo will be added on your website. So you can see right here, it's very clear here, the logo that we have. Make sure the logo size that you're adding on your WordPress, it's actually going to be 192 by 192. This is the suggestion for your logo. Now let me actually quickly show you, if you want to create a professional logo, how you can do that, and then you can upload it here. So you can actually use a free tool known as canva.com. Canva.com is a online designing tool that allows you to design logos, and we can create professional logos with Canva. So here what you can do is you can just quickly go to the logo section and it will open up the canvas for you, and you can see this is like a logo that I created. We have a bunch of other templates available that we can use in order to create the logo. So let's say I have this logo right here. What I can do is I can just click on share, click on download, and you can download it as a PNG. Your logo will be downloaded. So this is how you can create a professional logo. Let me show you quickly some other examples. For instance, you have this one right here. You can see it's a professional logo that we have. Similarly, we have this one right here. So you can see this is also a logo. So you can create professional logos with Canva, download them, and then upload on your WordPress website. So we have downloaded a logo. I'm going to quickly go ahead and select that. So here we have it. Now we're going to again click on select, and here we have it, our logo. What I'm going to do is we can of course crop it a little bit if we want. That's what I'm actually going to do. Okay. click on crop image, and then your logo will be updated. So this is how you will add your logo. You can see it has been added. Moving on, we have also another thing, which is the site icon. Now there is a difference between a site logo and a site icon. You have to keep that in mind. A site logo is going to be on your website right here, and it's a logo for your website. We will add it on our page, and it's going to be added in the header. When it comes to a site icon are what you see in the browser tabs. Now you can see right here in the browser, like each website has its own icon. We can also upload something here. I'm gonna click on select site icon, and we're gonna go with the same thing. So I'm just gonna, from my media library, I'm gonna select this one, click on select, and then we can crop our image. So this is going to be the size, and this is what it will look like. You can see right here, this is the preview for a browser icon that we can add on WordPress. Click on crop image, and then it will be added. So now you can see at the top we have our own icon for my website. So this is what it looks like. You can even see in at the browser. So you can see this is how you will update a site icon, and this is how you will update a logo. Once you're done with the settings, you're going to click on save changes, and your new logo will be added to your WordPress website, the website that you're creating. This is a test website that I have. So of course I have just added like a logo, then we have our title, we have our tagline. This is the easiest way to update a logo in your WordPress website. Also keep in mind that it depends on the theme that you have selected for the website. Some of the themes have different settings for the logo, and maybe the logo will automatically be added for your website. So it may vary when you're using other themes, some of the paid themes and very updated themes. You can also create different widgets for your website if you want to. But yeah, go ahead and you have to just open up your dashboard on WordPress, go to site appearance, customize, and then you will click on site identity to upgrade your logo if you want to change it, or you want to upload or add a new logo to your WordPress website. If you do not have a logo to upload, then you can just use canva.com to create one quickly and then update your WordPress website. You can see now it has my logo here, and we have our professional website, and we have our own professional pages. Once you're done, your website will look very professional, and you will have your own logo and theme for your business. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part, and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.